In today's video, we're going to go over how to use the Microsoft Read Aloud feature in the desktop version of Microsoft 365. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. I'm going to go to the search bar and type in Read Aloud. This will bring up a small little toolbar over here on the right-hand side of your document, and you can adjust your settings by selecting the settings button, and we have a reading speed and basically a male and female selection of voice. Let's choose a female voice selection and let's bump our reading speed up, and when you're ready, you can hit the play button.
Alternative Media Access Specialist. Applied specialized knowledge of technology accessibility to spearhead the development of alternative media, including Braille, MP3 files, formatted Word docs, and HTML. Mobilize.
Now, if that's too fast, we can come down here and adjust the reading speed back down. We could change it to male and then hit the play button.
To access technologies such as Kurzweil, Adobe Suite, Microsoft managed a small team of student
You could jump to the next line by pressing the next button.
worker, oversaw high-tech, facilitated the create, obtained fund.
And this content will just keep reading until it gets to the very end of the document. This does not replace the need for the use of a screen reader for some people with disabilities. However, the Microsoft Read Aloud feature can help you in a pinch if you need to have your content read aloud. One other component of this is if you don't want it active all of the time, you can simply select some content you want to have read aloud, right-click it, and then select the Read Aloud feature. If you want to find out how it can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.